Tired of juggling endless emails, messy files, and chaotic task lists for clients? You're not alone. Every freelancer, agency, or small business hits that wall where managing clients becomes a job in itself. Deadlines slip. Files get lost. Tasks fall through the cracks. And your mind? Completely scattered. But what if it didn't have to be that way? Imagine one secure portal where you can share files, track tasks, collect e-signatures, and even embed dashboards or videos all in one place. That's Ahsuite. A clean, all-in-one client portal built for people who do real work and need real organization. No more messy email threads. No more sending attachments back and forth. No more guessing where things are. Ahsuite lets you assign tasks, track progress, and mark them complete without ever leaving the platform. You can even share passwords securely using end-to-end encryption. And those work journals with timestamps? Perfect for audits and transparency. Your clients will love you for it. Need to look professional? White label everything with your own branding. For agencies, that's a game changer. Ahsuite doesn't just help you manage clients, it replaces tools like Slack, Trello, Dropbox, and brings calm to your chaos. So the question is, are you ready to stop drowning in client management? Try Ahsuite today because organized people get paid better.